Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a classic prank that's guaranteed to get a laugh: the harmless USB virus prank. Don't worry, it's all in good fun and completely safe. We're going to create a simple script that'll do something silly. When a USB drive is plugged into a computer, think of it as a digital whoopee cushion. So, what exactly are we going to do? We'll create a Windows batch file, which is essentially a list of commands that the computer runs. This batch file will then do something like open Notepad and type a funny message, or repeatedly open the calculator. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. First, let's get our prank file ready. Open up Notepad. This is where we'll write our script. The simplest prank involves having Notepad display a message. Type the following lines: echo off, echo you've been pranked. Pause. Let's break this down. The first line, echo off, prevents the commands from being displayed on the screen. The second line, echo you've been pranked, simply displays the message on the screen. And finally, pause, keeps the window open until the user presses a key. Of course, you can customize this. Change the message to whatever you find funny. You could even add more lines of echo to have a longer message. Feel free to be creative. Save this file as a bat file. Choose all files in the Save as Type option. And name your file something like prank bat. Make sure the bat extension is there. Now, for a slightly more annoying, but still harmless, prank. We can open the calculator multiple times. For this, type the following into your notepad: echo off, loop, calc, go to loop. Save this one as a bat file, too. The calc command opens the calculator, and the go to loop command tells the batch file to go back to the beginning and do it again. It's a never-ending cycle, unless you close the windows manually. Again, save this file with a bat extension. Now for the auto run part. We want this prank to launch automatically when the USB drive is plugged in. This is where an auto run INF file comes into play. Create a new text file in Notepad and type the following: auto run open prank bat shell open command prank bat. Again, replace prank bat with the name of your bat file if you used a different one. Save this file as autorun INF in the root directory of your USB drive. Make sure it's in the same place as your bat file. Now, test your prank. Plug your USB drive into your target's computer. The prank should trigger automatically. Be ready to capture their reaction. Remember, this is all in good fun. Make sure your friend is okay with the prank before you do it. This prank is not meant to harm anyone or their computer. And that's it. You've successfully created a harmless USB prank. Remember to use this knowledge responsibly and have fun. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.